Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about LensGo AI, the all-in-one video wizard. Let's jump right in. LensGo AI is not only a video tool, but also it can turn your text into images, text into videos, and even video to video, which gives your video a whole new vibe. So all you have to do is just go to LensGo AI and sign in with your Google account. If you go down, you can use all these featured models that you can use in your projects. So for example, if you like this, click on create and it will create an image or video based on this model. If you further go down, there are a gallery of different models. So you can choose these if you want and just click on it and create with this model. For us, we'll simply go on the left side and click on create images. From here, we'll select the model. There are a bunch of different styles that you can use. But the one I really like the most is this realistic model. Just click on it and then select your image dimension. For us, I'll just go with 1:1. Then how many numbers of images you want, just click on it. I'll just go with 2. Text guidance scale, just leave it as it is. And then write your prompt here. So I wrote 25 years old Asian woman on a street, cinematic, photorealistic. And there you go. Our images are ready. See how photoreal are they? So these images are created by AI and it's very photorealistic. Look at all the details, the background and all the people and all the cars. Very nice. So if you're satisfied with the image, just click here and save it to your computer. The next feature we're going to talk about is animate videos. Just click on it and it's the same thing. Select your model. So I'll just go with this. And video duration, I'll just go with longer. And you can even choose your camera movement. For example, if you want your video to zoom in or zoom out, you can make it move towards left or right. You can make it move up or down. So I'll just go with zoom in and then I'll use the prompt. For this, I'll just use one of these examples and then click on start. All right, so our video is ready. Let's click on play and watch it. There you go. That was pretty cool. So we made this video with text. Now the next feature we're going to talk about is video to video option. Just click here and upload your video. Open the video you like and then you can write in your prompt. I'll just go with a woman with wavy hairs. Click on start and give it a few seconds. All right, our video is ready. You can check out the reference video here. So this was our original video and this is the video the AI has created. Nice. I actually like it. The AI did a pretty good job on the hair because on the reference video, you see the hair was tied up, but in here, the hair is wavy. All right, so let's watch this video side by side. All right, so the AI has done a great job. So let's try uploading the video again, and this time we'll use a different style. From the left side, and from here we will change the style to anime. Let's type in our text here, woman in red hair. We can start. All right, our anime style video is ready in just few seconds. Let's click on play and watch it. Nice. I really liked how the AI has done all the little changes and made the same video in anime style. Alright, so that was it from this video. That was a quick overview on LensGo AI. Do check out this tool and make your unique videos. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section and make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys in the next video.